Audio Jungle.
Hi, sweetie. Good day. How are you today? I hope you're all doing good there. By the way, my name is Kimberly C. Twista from Group 5 Evening Session. And you can call me Teacher Kim. Teacher Kim. Who am I again? Yes, I am Teacher Kim. In today's video, I'll be talking about phonics. Phonics of the English alphabet starting from letter D up to letter H. From letter D up to letter H of the English alphabet. Let's begin with the letter D. The capital and the small letter D of the English alphabet. It makes the sound as in dog, dog, dog. What is it again? Dog. Second letter is letter E. The capital and the small letter E. It makes the sound E. 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 E as in elephant. 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 What is it again? Elephant. Very good. The
Audio
third
jungle.
letter is letter F. The capital and the small letter F. It makes the sound there's this spelling on the mouth, okay? Just for example is frog. 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 Understood? The fourth letter is letter G. The capital and the small letter G of the English alphabet. It makes the sound as in goat, goat, goat. And for the last letter for today is letter letter H. The small and the capital letter H. It makes the sound as in horse, horse, horse. Let us see it again. Can I hear you? Horse. Very good. We are all through with the letter D, E,
Audio Jungle.
F, G, and letter H. So let's have a short review. The first one is letter D. It makes the sound
Audio Jungle.
as in dog.